We're back here at 5 with a look at the conversations continuing right now about improving school safety following the deadly stabbing at Southeast Raleigh High School on Monday.
District officials now considering adding new measures to protect those students. Michael Perchik joining us now in Raleigh, where the National Conference on Active School Threats is holding an event. Michael, what are they sharing with you?
Steve, Lauren, the key takeaway is the importance of having a multi-layered approach. Look, there is naturally a focus on some of those physical barriers which have drawn the lion's share of discussion over the past 48 hours stemming from that incident, whether it's implementing a clear bag policy, which Wake School board members are discussing, or going a step further and installing weapons detection systems like other Triangle districts have. That was in place this morning over at Rocky Mount High when the system alerted authorities to a handgun inside a student's backpack. However, officials we spoke with here cautioned against an over-reliance on technology, noting while it is a tool, it can't be the only mechanism used to try and deter school violence. They suggested other measures such as locking all exterior doors, visitor management screening, and single-point entries. Past that, they stressed the importance of training and mental health resources for students, creating an environment in which they feel comfortable speaking up.
Most of these students are going to have problems before it manifests into violence. The earlier we can recognize that, the earlier we can get them help. Any kind of de-escalation training for staff is great. We do that a lot through the districts. But just to keep our schools safer, the schools really have to do it. We have to train our people to recognize a student in need. We need to have more mental health workers.
Through 2027, the Department of Public Instruction is utilizing a $17 million federal grant to help 15 school districts increase the number and diversity of mental health service providers in high-need schools. Just last year, the Center for Safer Schools was awarded more than $74 million in grants towards safety equipment, school resource officers, training, and services for students in elementary, middle, and charter schools. It also supports the Say Something app, which is an app for students to report anonymous tips, certainly a valuable tool and resources for those who are feeling unsafe or just need some assistance from adults within the school. I'm Michael Perchik, ABC 11 Eyewitness News.